It's Wednesday, February 9th, 2010, sitting in for Matador. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. Markets are up. Boom! Check this out. 2% pop thus far on the S&P. Big move to the upside. 1.6 on the Dow. 1% here on the Nasdaq and Russells, and a nice significant drop here on the VIX. VIX right here, we're under 25, a 6.5% drop. Check this out. Here's the S&P daily as of today. Now that we have a pop taking place, I'm not going to call this until after the market closes today, but we could be in the makings of a bull flag. I could not call it until we had this rise, higher high, higher low, and our second lower swing low confirmed, and that looks like it's happening. We are stalling out right around the 11 EMA, but I want to go intraday to take a look at what's happening. I'm here. I want to show you, as the time I'm recording this video, we're getting some major moves. You just saw a big red candlestick coming down right here on a 5-minute chart, right down, came right back up. Big fights taking place on this bullish pennant formation or high base formation here on the 5-minute chart. If I go back right here, you can see we pop, come down, and then today, look at this. Boom, we took off above all major moving averages right now. I'm going back in time. This 1080 coming across just isn't too much to worry about. Actually, if I put my line back here, this base right here, this resistance point, you can see that right there. If we come across, is actually a support area. So that's quite bullish on an intraday chart. What I also like to do is bring in the bank to see if we have confirmation on the financials, and we do not. The financials are more flat heading down. I already took a look at the groups and the sector and sector rotation. Financials are doing the worst today, absolutely at the bottom of the list. That does not bode well for the markets. This big strong move that we're having to the upside may be short-lived, so I'm watching that very closely to see how that's going to play itself out. A couple other things. The VIX here, we're down below 25. You can see that 25 mark. That 25 mark is pretty important little marks. The question is will we stay down here? Can we stay below 25 on the VIX? The other thing that I like to look at is net volume. This is net volume on the Nasdaq. Long as, and 10-minute chart, long as we're heading up, that's good, but now we're showing weakness all of a sudden. You can see we're having a lower low on net volume. And if we get below this 500 billion area right here, that's going to spell trouble by day's end. So the issues that I also look at, let me see, where is that here? I'm still quite bullish, but we are starting to head down right now. So as far as I'm concerned, everything's bullish, but with the financials being weak, that tells me that we could have a problem. Listen, for the rest of the week, I will be doing Matador's pre-market information, and I am recording from my house today. So this morning I wasn't set up to do it, and at this noon time I'm late getting it out. So my sincere apologies. Listen, tonight is Meet the Mentor. We do mentor. We have a class coming up. If you want to get yourself plugged in to be the absolute best trader that you can be, you want to be here for this free webinar tonight. They'll listen to that. Just let Mike_Williams at freetradingvideos.com know. And also, Thursday is our very first ever FTV educational webinar. It is not free. If you want to know about my hedging and how I do my hedging and to have a great grasp of hedging, that's this Thursday, and you can be a part of that too. Mike_Williams at freetradingvideos.com. Get signed up. Take care. Happy trading and safe trading to each of you.